channel. Today I will walk through how to set up and run the DeepSeek-R1 model locally using Open WebUI and Ollama. By end of this tutorial, you will have a powerful AI model running on your local machine. Let's dive in. So as you can see here, to set up this DeepSeek-R1 model, right, in local, we have to perform these steps, right? So first we have to install the Docker desktop. Then we have to pull the Open WebUI image from the GitHub, right? And then we have to set up the storage and the port for Open WebUI. Then we have to install the Ollama, and then we have to install the DeepSeek-R1 model using the Ollama, and then we can access these models using this website, right? So let's first start with the Docker desktop installation. So to install the Docker desktop, we have to go to Docker website, and then we have to download the Docker from here, right? Then next we have to pull the image, right, of this web UI, and to pull this image we have to run the certain command. So let me go to the terminal, and then we have to run this docker pull command, which will pull the image from the GitHub repository, and it will install the this image in the local Docker, right? Then we have to connect this to the storage, and then we have to also enable the port, right? So with this command we will enable this Open Web UI on this 9783 port, right? And this will also set up the storage, right? So now the next step is we have to install the Ollama, and to install the Ollama we have to go to this Ollama website, and depending on the what type of OS you have, you can install the Ollama from this website, right? Then next actually we have to install the DeepSeek-R1 model, and this we can install using the Ollama command line, right? And to install this Ollama DeepSeek-R1 model, we have to run this command Ollama run DeepSeek_R1, right? So this will install the DeepSeek-R1 model, right? So now pretty much our setup is done. Now we can go to this website and use this model, right? So let me go here. So basically as we have set up, right, so this is available on this 9783 port, right? And we can see all the installed model, right? So in my machine I have installed other than DeepSeek, there are some other model I have installed, right? But today we are interested only for DeepSeek model, so we will use this model and then see how it work in locally, right? And as you can see here, I have done some tests with this model, and then I have asked like calculate 20 plus 30, and then this model basically did the chain of thought, and then it answered the for this question, right? So the final answer is 50, right? So this is how actually we can set up this model locally. Now you can experiment with this powerful AI model directly on your machine. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI and tech content. See you in the next video.